In this video, I will be disassembling this 2020 Mercedes Benz GLE LED headlight. Here is the part number on the light. I will begin by removing the lens. I've disconnected the lens from the light. I will begin by going to the rear of the headlight. There are 3 T20 screws along the top edge of the light. Next, I will remove the T20 screws along the bottom edge of the bezel. With those 6 T20 Torx screws removed, we can now pull the whole bezel forward. There are 2 wire harness connectors connecting the LEDs to the main headlight. The front LEDs are connected with a couple of T20 Torx screws. Each of the LED units have a black connector on them. They are held in place with a single T10 Torx screw. There are 2 mounting points under this reflector. There's one on this corner and one on this corner. I'm going to start by removing the one on the inside corner. In order to release the inside mount, I'm going to start with a pair of needle nose pliers to squeeze down on the left side of the clips. I will then use a flathead screwdriver to go through the bottom hole and try to release the other 2 tabs. Once the inside projector mount is loose, I will then go under the bezel again and release the other mounting tab. Both of the bottom mounting tabs are now loose. Now I'm going to come up and release the upper middle mounting point. All 3 mounting points are released. Now I'm going to disconnect the wire harness. Here is the bottom inside mounting tab. Here is the bottom outside mounting tab. Here is the upper center mounting tab. Next, I will remove the T20 screws holding on the low beam projector bezel. Next, I will release the 3 mounting points for the low beam projector. projector is now out of the headlight. I will disconnect the wire harness on top. The projector is now free from the light. Next, I will remove the cooling duct and fan from the headlight. Next, I'm going to remove the outer shroud and the LED unit in the corner. Next, I will release the wire harness connector. At this point, I can pull the wire harness free from the light. The headlight housing is now empty. This black plastic cover is simply clipped on to the LED heatsink and board. The fan is connected to the duct using two T20 Torx screws. On the rear of this reflector are a series of T20 Torx screws. I will remove all of those now. The LED unit is connected to the reflector using two T20 Torx screws. The lens mount is connected to the bracket using three T20 Torx screws. There are four T20 Torx screws holding the LED driver to the projector. At this point, the light is fully disassembled. Here's the LED unit for the high beam reflector. Here's the LED unit for the outside corner light. Here's the cooling fan and ductwork. Here are the front lower LED drive units. Here's the LED drive unit for the low beam projector. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.